Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Today we learn about lesson 5. Here is number 1 has word building, 2 for each letter. X is for Xmas J, xylophone. Y is for yak, young. Z is for zebra, zigzag. Number 2 has identify which first phonics is used in which word. Then the head, sock, read, sand, bend, duck, smell, near, heat, fear, dear. Number 3 has oral word meaning English to Bangla. Lion, Singho, lamp, bati, প্রদীপ, moon, চাঁদ, milk, দুধ, nest, পাখির বাসা, nose, নাক, orange, কমলা, onion, পেঁয়াজ, pin, alpine, palm, তাল. Number 4 has name of 6 seasons. Summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter, spring.